I have the hiccups. Hake. I have the hiccups. I have the hiccups and they won't stop. Can you help me? Sure, I have many friends who can help you. You should sit. Nope, it doesn't work. You should hang upside down and drink water. Nope, it doesn't work. You should hold your breath. Nope, it doesn't work. You should laugh out loud. Ha 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 ha. Nope, it doesn't work either. Oh, they are getting worse. You just need a good scare. And it stops the hiccups. It works! It works! Yippee! I am hiccup free. Thank you. The